Are you ready to take on the computer in a classic game of rock, paper, scissors? Test your strategy and luck in this interactive Python game. Will you be the ultimate champion? Let's get started building our game. First, we import the random library, which allows us to generate random numbers or choices. In our game, this will let the computer pick a random choice. Here, we create a dictionary called choices. The keys R, P, and S stand for rock, paper, and scissors, respectively. This makes it easier to check user input and computer choices. Def getComputerChoice defines a function named getComputerChoice. Random.choice listChoices.keys picks a random key, R, P, or S from the choices dictionary. Return gives back the selected random choice. Def getUserChoice defines a function named getUserChoice. Print choose R for rock, P for paper, S for scissors, E for exit, shows instructions to the user. User choice equals input, enter your choice. Lower asks the user to type their choice and converts it to lowercase. While user choice not in choices, and user choice equals E, checks if the input is invalid, not R, P, S, or E. If it's invalid, it keeps asking until a valid choice is entered. Print invalid choice displays if the input is not valid. User choice equals input, enter again, RP asks the user to input again. Return user choice gives back the valid choice. Def determine winner user choice computer choice defines a function named determine winner. If user choice equals computer choice, checks if both choices are the same and returns it's a tie. If user choice equal R and computer choice equal S, or user choice equal P and computer choice equal R, or user choice equal S and computer choice equal P, checks if the user's choice beats the computer's choice and returns you win. Else, if neither of the above conditions are met, it returns computer wins. Def display welcome message defines a function named display welcome message. Print welcome to the rock, paper, scissors game displays a welcome message. Print ASCII art shows a fun text art to make the game more engaging. Def display score user score computer score defines a function named display score. Print N prints dashes for a neat format. Print score U user score computer score shows the current scores. Print dash prints dashes again to separate scores. We initialize the scores of both the user and the computer to 0. This means the game starts with both scores at 0. Display welcome message. This line calls a function named display welcome message. This function is likely defined elsewhere in the code and is responsible for printing a welcome message to the user. While true, this starts an infinite loop. The code inside this loop will continue to run until a break statement is encountered. User choice equals get user choice. This line calls the get user choice function and assigns the return value to the user choice variable. This function likely prompts the user to enter their choice, rock, paper, or scissors, and returns the chosen character. If user choice equals E, this checks if the user choice is equal to the letter E. If it is, the following code block will be executed, break. This statement exits the infinite loop. Computer choice equals get computer choice. This line calls the get computer choice function and assigns the return value to the computer choice variable. This function likely generates a random choice for the computer. Print F. This line prints a separator to the console, making the output more readable. Print F. You chose, choices, user choice. This line prints the user's chosen option. The choices dictionary is used to look up the corresponding string, e.g. rock, paper, scissors, based on the user choice character. Print computer chose, choices, computer choice. This line prints the computer's chosen option. Result equals determine winner, user choice, computer. This line calls the determine winner function, passing the user choice and computer choice as arguments. The function likely determines the winner of the round and returns a string indicating the result, e.g. you win, computer wins. Print result. This line prints the result of the round. If result equals you win, this checks if the result is you win. If it is, the following code block will be executed. User score plus equals 1. This line increments the user score by 1, indicating that the user won the round. If result computer wins, this checks if the result is computer wins. If it is, the following code block will be executed. Computer score plus equals 1. This line increments the computer score by 1, indicating that the computer won the round. Display score, user score, computer score. This line calls the display score function, passing the user score and computer score as arguments. This function likely displays the current scores of the user and the computer. Print, thanks for playing, goodbye. This line prints a farewell message to the user after the game ends. If you'd like to try this game yourself or explore the code, you can find the code on my GitHub repository link in the description below. So let's run and play. Watch the game and see how it works. Can you beat the computer? So this was our project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more exciting Python projects.